All right, all right, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates from Google Sheets. Okay, so I'm going to go to first. I'm going to go to drive.google.com, and all right. So I want to make sure it's recording. I hope the sound and everything else is okay. But so I'm going to show you how. So first, I'm going to go to my not yeah my drive. I'm going to go to new. I'm going to file upload. So I'm going to get one of my Excel docs from here. Okay. Um, so I'm gonna get one of these that possibly are have vacant lots. Okay, so this is real estate um, data. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this and I'm gonna open. Okay, so when I click open, that's gonna upload the spreadsheet or the Excel sheet to um, Google. Okay, I mean to Google. Yeah, Google Drive. Okay, so it says one complete. So it's loads. I'm going to click on that, and hopefully that should open it. So that's going to open it right up, right in Google Drive. Okay, so it should have it saved as well. Okay, but one of the problems that we face is that for a lot of times when we save, when we upload or save the information on Google Sheets, a lot of times it has duplicates. So the mailing address is duplicated. Okay. So if you see here, you see there's like several mailing. Okay. So mailing name, so it's the same person, same, and if you have to skip trace this, it's going to cost you money because you have like three or four different people. I mean, three or four different of the same person, duplicates, right? So we want to remove that. So if you see the same mailing address, it's the exact same person. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna scroll. We're gonna scroll down here. So it's 156. Okay. So remember that number. So what you do in order for you to, so you can always click on the top and expand the if you want to see the names of the headers clearer, you can always expand it or or whatever. So but what you want to do is to highlight everything that you have here. So you're going to highlight everything that you have here. Click on this, and you're going to go to. And before you do that, okay, what you want to do is to make sure that you have. So where it says mailing address, we can see that it's N. Okay, so this is on N. Okay, so we're going to make sure that. Okay, so we're going to make sure that we know exactly which um, row that we want to click and we want to select. So we're going to select everything, but we know N is where the mailing address is. Okay, so we're going to put that in mind. We're going to go to data cleanup, remove duplicates. So we're going to double click where it says, I mean, we click on select all, so it can deselect everything, and then we're going to select what we want, which is N. Okay, remove duplicates. Remember, it was 156. 52 duplicate rows were found and removed. 104 unique rows remain. So it was one. If you add 52 and 104, it was 156. So now 104 remain, right? So we're gonna click OK. We're gonna just select everything, and we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna see that we only have 104 to work with, right? Right. So if we're skip tracing this at 7 cents per, so I'm gonna calculate that. So if we're skip tracing that at 7 cents per lead, I mean per phone number, and we have so zero point zero 0.07 times 156. So this is how much it would have been. It would have been $10.92. But now that we have 104 times 0.07, okay, so we saved ourselves about $3 and some change. And if you have larger lists, which you probably would, like 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, 5,000, and you have a lot of duplicates, and you're putting in how much you're you're putting in how like you're putting in the whole amount and not removing the duplicates, you're gonna see that you're paying a whole lot more. Okay, so this saves you a whole lot of money. Okay, so if you want to save your coins, you want to save your money, because um, when you're doing real estate, and by the way, I'm talking about real estate because I've gotten into real estate, specifically the niche of vacant land, and I'm going to be putting out more videos. I always talk about multiple streams of income. I don't know if you've purchased my multiple streams masterclass. I've talked about that several times in my stamp store. So I'm someone that is a strong believer in having multiple streams of income. You can make that money. You don't have to be stuck on anything in particular if you are just dedicated and just focused, and keep your eye open for things that are available. You will find something. Okay, so um, so so my list is smaller, and therefore I can. So if I want to export this list, so I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go straight down right after email to Download and Microsoft Excel. So you always want to always want to export it as an Excel file. Okay, you always want to export this as an Excel. It's a tongue twister. An Excel file. Okay, you just don't want to use Excel because, well, unless you have Excel, but I don't have Excel. I have because I don't pay for Microsoft. I prefer Google, Google Sheets and Google Docs, Google Drive. Okay, so everything that goes with Google, all of those. But so click on Microsoft Excel, and you can see up here that is blue. So if I click on that blue, you can see that it's up here. Okay, and that also goes in my File Explorer, so it should be here as well. Okay, it should be here as well somewhere. Okay, but I hope that helps. Um, like I said, I'm going to be coming up with more real estate content because I know there's people that will, want to, will benefit from me putting out content as well. Okay, so make sure you like this video, subscribe, share, leave your comments, and until next time, peace.